Anyway, guys, the people are saying that Umayene, she is not a nice person. She was not supposed to go there, especially for someone who went through a similar situation with a Makumalo and a Mangwabe. She should have known better, unless there's something that they are hiding from us. Anyway, guys, let's get to started today. The rest of the house is on the page on the Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, there's a video that is currently circulating around the social media. Umayeni and Tirelo. Some are saying, Kade simbono ukuthi Umayeni uyamthanda uTirelo compared to Vuyokazi. Likely, one of the biggest YouTuber Yolokazi. She was very excited to get an opportunity to meet Umayeni and Tirelo on a vacation on the ocean, guys. So she's the one that really posted this video to say, hey guys, I met Tirelo and her mother-in-law. People are saying that, hi guys, why Umayeni will go to a vacation with Mpumelelelo's baby mama? She was not doing this when Mpumelelo was with Vuyokazi. Some are defending Umayeni, saying that the reason why Umayeni, she had no choice to go to a vacation with Tirelo is because Tirelo, she's not just a baby mama or a girlfriend to Kumpumelelo. Tirelo, she's actually a wife. We're gonna find out on Utano this time. It is alleged that Umpumelelo has already paid Lobolo to Tirelo. No wonder why we see Tirelo most of the time in Muzumbe. Even now, she did post a video with Mpumelelo, guys. They are just going around, so it shows that Utirelo, I mean, she's stay in Muzumbe, guys. She's a full-time in Muzumbe. So there's alleged that Utirelo, she's not just a girlfriend, guys. Utirelo, she's actually a wife. So there's no way Umayeni and Tirelo will never have a relationship. At the end of the day, that's her daughter-in-law, if that is true. Really, Umpumelelo did pay lobolo. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about